Welcome, my dear student, in this new and very important topic, that is the microprogram sequencing. As in the last two videos, we discussed about what is the micro instruction and what are the different organizations available in the micro instruction. Now here we are discussing about a program, microprogram sequencing, how that program is to be sequenced like that one. If all the microprograms required only a straightforward sequential executions of micro instruction, aspect branches, then letting a micro program counter which governs the sequencing would be very efficient. However, it has a two disadvantages also, and that disadvantage will include that having a separate micro routines for each machine's instruction, which result in the large total number of micro instructions and a large control stored. Whereas in terms of the execution, we are there then again is that it's a longer execution time because it takes the more time to carry out the required branches. Okay, and for the example oriented, we'll take a simple example, that address of src to the add src to rdst. Now the four addressing mode are to be there, that is the register, auto increment, auto decrement, and the index with indirect forms. Now here the flowcharts of the microprogram for the certain instruction, that is add src, rdsc will be in front of you. Related to the microprogram sequencing, in the you can see that the simple microprogram which will be in front of you, that required only the simple sequence of execution of micro instruction. Expect that the branch at the end of the fetch phase, and if the machine instruction is implemented by the micro routines of this kind, the effective use is made of the microcontroller structure in which the microprogram counter governs the sequencing. The micro routine is entered by decoding the machine instruction into the starting address that is loaded into the microprogram counter, and some branching capability within the microprograms can be introduced through the special branch micro instruction, and that specify the branch address, similar to the way of branching is done in the machine level instruction. With this approach, writing of microprograms is fairly very simple, and because the standard software techniques can be used. But this advantage is countered by the two major disadvantages, is having a separate micro routines for each machine's instruction, which result in a large total number of micro instruction and a large control store also. And if the most machine instruction involve the several addressing mode, there can be an instruction and the addressing mode combination. A separate micro routines for each of these combinations would be produced considerable duplications of the common part. We want to organize the microprograms so that the micro routines share as many common parts are to be possible, which required the many branches are to be there, many branch of the different micro instructions to transfer the control among the various parts. And hence there is the particular disadvantage that we already discussed here, that execution time is more maximum execution time is required, and because of it time to carry the required branches. And for example oriented, we will consider here the flowcharts of the certain micro program for add src, add dsc, which add the source operand to the content of the register rdsc and the place the sum in rdsc, the destination register. Here S means the source register and R means the destination, RD means destination register. Let us assume that the source operand can be specified in the following addressing mode, and that different addressing mode will be already I told you, that is register addressing mode, auto increment addressing mode, then auto decrement and index addressing, as well as there is the indirect form of this four addressing mode altogether. We now use this instruction in conjunction with the CPU structure that will be in front of me in the graphical form. Here you can observe each and every step. Here it shows in terms of the index addressing mode, in terms of the auto increment addressing mode, in terms of the auto decrement addressing mode, and in terms of the register indirect addressing mode also Here that main micro program is to be start with a certain strings, and in each and every addressing mode, it's here the each and every addressing mode will be in front of you along with its flowchart. This is a complete flowchart of a microprogram for a particular instruction. Here you can observe that the micro routines for the other instructions are to be used along with the different addressing mode, and also at the end of each and every part, all if you can use any mode, all this combined program will be in at a same place, aim at a same destination. So each box in this above chart is correspond to the micro instruction, and that control the transfer among the operation which is indicated within the box, and the micro instruction is located at the address indicated the octal number above the upper right hand corner of the box. Here each octal digit it represent the 3 bits. That octal notation is in the example is convenient with the shorthand notations of the binary. Now here that particular sequence micro instruction sequence will be given along with a different address. If you can observe this one, it is start with the address location of 000 and end at address location 173, but it is continue up to 0123, and now it directly goes from it get branched to the 121 directly from address 3 to 121, then 120 to 123. After 123 again it branch because it now wait for the machine function control complete signal, and then it is again switch over to the 170, and then again it is in a sequential manner. This is the micro instructions at the location 170 is not executed for this addressing mode, right? So this was very important, and here that mode will be a 010 mode will be used along with the opcode. The micro instruction with the next address field related to we can related to that we can say that for the next addressing, here the micro program is to be discussed which required the several different branches of the micro instructions, right? This micro instruction is performed the no useful operation in the data path, whereas they are needed only to determine the address of the next instruction, and thus they are detract from the operating speed of the different computers. Now the situation can become significantly worse when the other micro routines are the considerable. The increase in the branch instructions stems partially from the limitations in the ability to assign the successive address to all the micro instructions, and that are generally executed in the consecutive order. This problems promotes to use to reevaluate the sequencing techniques which built around an incremental microprogram counter. A powerful alternative is to include in an address field as a part of the every micro instruction to indicate the location of the next instruction to be fetched, which means that the effect that every micro instruction become a branch of micro instruction. In addition to this, the other function. The flexibility of this approach comes at the expense of the additional bits for the address field, and the severity of this penalty can be assessed as follows. A typical computer, it is possible to design a complete microprogram with a fewer of the 4 kilobyte of the micro instruction using the perhaps of 50 to 80 bits per micro instruction, and this is implies that the address field of the 12 bits which is to be required. Here there are some pros are to be used. That means that the separate branch micro instructions are virtually eliminated with a few limitations in assigning to the address of that microroutine, and some cons, that is additional bits of the address field which is around 1/6. This is micro instruction with the next field will be in the terms of the graphical representation will be in front of you. Here you can observe that it starts with IR with external inputs and output along with the decoder circuit. This is a part of that ALU circuit, and micro or AR that is address register will be there, along with the control store and the micro IR. This is the micro instruction with the next field will be input of you. This is all about the micro program sequencing. Thank you very much.